Unhelpful friends. A rabbit named Bunny lived in the forest. He had numerous close friends, which he was really proud of. One day, the bunny rabbit listened to the loud barking of wild dogs. He was extremely scared. He was determined to ask for assistance. He rapidly went to his good friend, a deer. He said, "Dear friend, some wild canines are chasing me. Can you chase them away with your sharp horns?" The deer stated, "That is right, I can, but now I am quite busy. Why don't you ask the bear for assistance?" Bunny Rabbit went to the bear. "My dear friend, you are extremely strong. Please help me. Some wild dogs are after me. Please chase them away," he requested the bear. The bear responded, "I'm sorry, I'm starving as well as I'm very tired. I need to discover some food. Please ask the monkey for help." Poor Bunny now went to the monkey, then the elephant, the goat, and all his various other good friends. Rabbit really felt unfortunate that no one was ready to help him. He realized that he had to think about an escape by himself. He hid himself under a bush. He laid down extremely still. The wild dogs did not discover the bunny. They went chasing various other animals. Bunny Rabbit found out that he needed to learn to survive by himself and not depend on his unhelpful friends. So the moral of the story is, it is much better to depend on yourself than rely on anyone else.